Hello everyone, this is Preeti from EduRoop Learning and I am a Java Stack trainer. Today in this session we are going to discuss some examples on Node.js, okay, which is Stack only, okay. And here I just want the folder I've created NodeDP, which I've just opened that folder. In this folder, I'm going to create one file. The file name is index.js. This file, in this file, I'm just writing the Node.js code. So let's say uh, here I just take in here console because I just wanted to display my output in the console section. So here I just want to write it welcome to Node.js. Okay. So now I just want to execute this, yes or no? So here, mm, in this console, I just want to execute my code. So very simple. When you are running the node, you have to type it there or write the command node. Then after that, give a space and give the file name. File name is what here? Very simple. Index.js file with respect to the file extension. Here .js is the file extension which you have to write it. Okay, can you see that now? What is the welcome to Node.js? It is going to display people. So next I just want uh, here first I'll take hi, then I'll concat this with a number, let's say 589. So what it is going to display? Let's see in the console index.js hi 589. Okay, then observe I I'll take the console. In this console I just want 25 plus 25, what it is going to display. So let's see node with respect to that file name index.js file. Why 2525 it is going to display? Because whenever the string plus number, it is not going to add people, it is going to be the string always. Let's write it here console. Here I'll just take 25 plus 50 plus let's say 25. What will be the output? Very simple. Let's see it now. Just execute now. Index.js 75 25. See, the answer will be 75 for this and 25 for this. The number it is going to add. After that, what it will be? String. So it is displaying the string. This is how we are creating the Node.js. Okay, examples. Okay, this is the simple example I just given you people. Not only this, many examples were there in the Node.js. I'll just take it this. I'll take one more example, very simple, which we are using a OS module here. OS module means it is a operating system module, which gives the whatever the operating system consists of, the type of, okay. So these are the things. So how to import that OS module? You have to import it first explicitly. So let's import it OS constant. I'm taking a constant keyword and OS operating system require of import the module. What is that module name as? Operating system. OS. Very simple. OS. We are typing it as OS. Next, what I'll do, I'll just take a console. I just wanted to display in the console. So I'm taking it as console.log. Here, os.platform. Okay. What it is going to display? Let's see. The answer is index.js See this, Windows 32. Platform is Windows 32. I'll take a new terminal. Let's execute node index.js. What will be the answer? The answer is Windows 32. After this, I just want to os dot release. So what it is going to be the answer? Let's see. Node index.js. This is the release of OS. Next, not only this, you will be having so many parameters with respect to the OS model, arch, type, that you can see. Next, I just want here the type of the OS, which type of OS it is, that we need to check out. Suppose if I just want the answer, means you just see what will be the answer for this. Platform is Windows 32 and the release is 10.0.19045 and Arch 64 bits and OS type Windows NT. These are all required information about the operating system. It is going to give all information about the operating system. Okay. This is the second example. Then I am just moving to the next example, which I am connecting to the server side. So let's see server. Server, if you want to connect, means you have to import the module. What is that module name? HTTP module. Okay, let's see what is HTTP module. You will be having, right, HTTPS, HTTP. Okay, HTTP is not secured one. HTTPS is secured one. Anyhow, we are running this local host only. We are going with the module name as HTTP. Okay, you can use let keyword, constant keyword, okay, anything, nothing keyword also it works. And is equals to require of what, which module I am talking about now. So very simple, it is a HTTP module. Just type it. It's a protocol. Okay, it's a protocol. In this, I just wanted to connect with the HTTP dot. I'm going to create a server. Okay, in that server, I'm passing the function which accept request, comma, response. It's very important. You have to write it explicitly. Request, comma, response. Okay, in this, I just want request dot write head. Write it explicitly. It comes automatically, right? Inside that 200 comma content type you have to write it, but you have to encode with this content type. Which type? It is a text, plain text only. I'm just writing here plain text. Make it capital. Here also just make it as capital one. Single colon, then type text or plain. Done. After this, I just want to display the message that I'm just want from at last. I just want here one message, that is hello server. Okay, hello server. In this server, which port number I have to write it, right? Which port number it has to be listen, right? That I'm just giving here dot listen the port number 8080. So very simple. Okay, Now, see, if I take terminal, execute it first. New terminal. What's the file? Index.js. It is not going to display in the console. So what is the port number now? 8080. So let's I just wanted to see now. It is in the server side. You have to run on any browser. Localhost 8080. So can you see this? Hello server. Okay. So now you understood some examples with the console or without the console or with the server side. Okay. So this is a basic example I've just explained you. For more examples, you can follow the videos. Thank you.